River patterns. These are really important that you understand the different forms that rivers can take depending on the topography or the rise and fall of the land underneath them. The most common form is called the dendritic, which is pattern A. It looks like the branches of a normal tree or roots or nerve endings. It's a very common form in nature. Letter B is a radial pattern. It is like a wagon wheel. It is when you have a high elevation and the water runs away from the center point. The other two are very similar. C is called a rectangular pattern, and it develops where there's weak spots or joints where the water can flow more easily, and it follows these joints. And then the last one, letter D, is called the trellis pattern. The trellis pattern forms, it's similar to rectangular, but it has more little failed attempts, little tiny tributaries. And that forms when you have resistant bedrock that will not allow the rivers to cut through it. So it kind of flows around through the easier to travel through rock layers. These are important for the homework as well as for the test. So please draw these if you can. I'm sorry I'm not able to draw them. I'm just showing them to you. This is in your materials folder. So you have all the time you want to look through. I would look through everything in this folder for this week.